sieve.
There you are.
No, I need to put water on it.
I want to try this shit.
Got to get out of the way there, Leech.
That's actually killed it.
Before it blows. Yeah, I know. There's nothing left, yeah. Just makes it flat.
Next video is just soda steamed milk.
Right, don't put it on there.
You do it. Remember to get out of the way though.
Right, ready?
Hang on. Wait. Film this shit.
Got it, man. I've got it down.
Wait.
Towels in it, really.
Ready?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.